This is part 3 of how I made Malady's Bident from Divinity Original Sin 2. This time we will finish the full build. Last time we ended with all the single pieces of the blade. To refine the edges of each piece I used a Dremel. Then I began gluing the pieces together, dremeling the long pieces at an angle to make them look like blades. Since the staff needed to fit into the blade part, I created a little box where the pipe would sit in. Once the pipe fit in properly, I glued the rest of the pieces on top. When everything was glued together, I dremeled the inside part to make it even. I smoothed out the uneven edges of the blade next, using a box cutter to cut away chunks at the top to shape it. Once I liked the shape, I dremeled it again. Next, I used warblers for the blade, traced the shape onto the material and heated it up. I filled in the rest bit by bit using scraps, covering the entire blade, then dremeled away any harsh edges. For the final details, I cut out each little part 4 times on 1mm foam. After cutting, I glued all of the pieces onto the blade. I dremeled more details onto the top part where the pipe would be in. To add texture, I used foam clay to form little lines. I covered the part of the pipe sticking out with leftover foam and added another layer around it. With everything in place, I used a lot of glue to secure the pipe inside the blade. After that, I primed everything with Flex Bond twice, letting it dry in between. I mixed a dark metallic gray color and used Royal Gold Hex Flex to paint the gold details. Finally, I took some black paint to add shadows, watered it down, and smudged it with my finger for a more natural look. After all that, my boyfriend sealed everything, and that was it. Thanks for watching!